What is up, guys? My name's Pete, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can calculate your Amazon numbers. So how much money are you actually bringing in at the end of the month? Anyone can look at your gross sales and think everything is dandy, but how do you know if you're actually profiting, making money? I see so many sellers out there flashing these fancy sales numbers, and then at the end of the day when they go into their bank accounts, they're like, where the heck is all of my money going? So this is what we're going to cover in today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your numbers. And if you don't know how to do it, it's really not your fault, because look, when I first started in this business, I didn't know how to do this stuff. I was so naive. I would look at my gross sales numbers and be like, wow, I'm freaking killing it, man. I'm going to be building a yacht and living in a mansion within the next 3 years if I keep up at this pace. But it really takes more than that. You really have to dive under the hood of your own business and diagnose every single penny coming in, every single penny coming out, to make informed decisions for your business for the future. And if you don't know this stuff, you're going to be, again, operating with your head in the sand. Not a good idea. If I get into this topic, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still new to this YouTube game. I'm going to start making a lot more videos for sure. And look, I'm not going to sit here and be somebody fake or give you all this sort of fake energy like a Broadway show or anything like that. How it is straight up. I just don't care. So, I'm not here to hide anything from you. I will seriously tell you everything you want to know for free. I don't care. So before we really get into this topic, I do want to mention one thing. Okay, so the thing that I want to just highlight before we get into the video's topic is my own website. So this is my own website. I offer a variety of Amazon services, which include writing your listing, performing product launches, managing your ads, and doing one-on-one coaching if you desire. Now, why am I highlighting this in this video? Well, number one, and most importantly, we're getting absolutely insane results for people. That's why. And for myself and other clients. And I basically just want to extend out a helping hand if you're really in need of one of these services. Now, if you want to do all this stuff yourself and you're dialed in, and I mean, that's perfectly fine, but there are many people out there, most in particular, brands who need these services done for them. That's why they come to people like me to do it for them, because they don't want to be bothered. These are just some of the rankings that we've been getting people from the product launches. As you can see, guys, 70,000 competing products, extremely competitive, number one on page one. These are all number one on page one for some very, very competitive products, very competitive keywords. The list goes on and on. Here are some sponsored ad screenshots, just a few. And here are the services that are offered. So yeah, professional product listing, product launch, sponsored ads management. And look, unlike most other services, this stuff is all going to be performed by yours truly, me, not going to be pawned off to some untrained employee. Well, I shouldn't say untrained. I'm sure they're trained, but they're not in the trenches every day operating their own business. I operate several Amazon accounts right now. Am I saying that to brag? No, I'm saying that to show you that I have an immense amount of data in virtually every product category, and I have a lot of experience. So I have a lot of data, I have a lot of experience, and I have a lot of information to work around. I know what works and I know what doesn't work. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I've created hundreds of product listings. I've done so many product launches. I know what works and what doesn't, because like I said, I have a ton of data. And yeah, what makes us different? Yeah, I'm so special. No, you can read about it, but if this interests you at all, I just wanted to throw it out there. We're crushing it for clients. I'm crushing it for myself, and I wanted to just extend out a helping hand in case one of you guys is interested. So let's get into the actual topic at hand in today's video. What do you say? Alright, guys, so here I am inside of a Seller Central dashboard. This is what it should look like for you as well. And let's just go to the sales summary here. I have a feeling that most of you today, this is how you check out your sales numbers. You come over here, you hit this little button, view your sales statistics, and then you let it load, and you see that you have all of the numbers here, right? This is your gross sales number, deducting zero expenses and factoring in absolutely zero data apart from just your product's sale. And I don't even have to explain to you how misleading that can be. In fact, I'm going to fully explain to you how misleading it can be in a second. But yeah, it's such inaccurate data of the actual health of your business. Like a gross sales number is not an accurate indication of the overall health, the cash flow efficiency, and I mean that's it. It's not an accurate indicator of the health of your business. In order to actually know what is going into your business, everything coming in, everything coming out, what your bottom line is at the end of the day, you need to know these things because that's the only way you can make an informed decision. Like, how much money do I have to spend on ads this month to promote a product? Do I have enough money in the bank to launch this new product that I have been wanting to launch? Do I have enough extra money to maybe get a professional video done for this awesome new product that I have? And the list goes on and on. Maybe you want to take a vacation with the family. So you need to know your numbers, plain and simple. And this right here, this little dashboard, is not going to give you an accurate indication. What will give you an accurate indication? Right here. So in order to get to this page, you got to go to hover over reports, go to payments, and when you're on payments, go to date range reports, and that's where I'm at right now. And what you want to do is hit this generate report button, and you want to do summary, not transaction, just do summary. You can do it by month, or you can actually enter in a custom date if maybe you want to do it for a 3-month or 4-month stretch of time. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to leave it on month, so July of 2018. And summary, July 2018, let's go ahead and hit generate. Okay, as you can see, it's in progress. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh. And I'm going to download it now. And as you see, it downloads into a nice PDF. First and foremost, these numbers are going to look quite odd to you because we actually just performed a product launch within this account. So the numbers are totally skewed. As you can see, the promotional rebates here is basically eating up my whole entire profit. But again, that's because it was a product launch. These numbers are skewed. Doesn't matter. The lesson still applies, right? So you have your income. This is what you're actually making. Okay. Not this. Okay, your income. All of your expenses. I bet you didn't know that 90% of these expenses actually even existed, especially if you're a brand new seller. Cost of ads, adjustments, service fees, carrier shipping, all this stuff. Now, some of these won't apply to you, but again, there's a lot that do, and a lot that are sort of these paper cut expenses that can bleed you dry if you don't really kind of dial them in. You got your transfers. Now, this is the actual bank transfer where Amazon, direct deposits your paycheck every 2 weeks into your bank account. And they even calculate the sales tax for you. Now, I hope you're paying some form of sales tax and staying compliant with all the state laws and regulation. I know there's been a lot of changes and misinformation, and just there's a lot of changes going on in the whole sales tax department right now as far as e-commerce and Amazon. We'll get into that in another video if you guys want, but my point is that we have income, expenses, transfers, sales tax. We got everything we need here. We know what we're taking in, right? So basically, we are losing money, right? In this example, we've lost money, correct? We've made $1,400 and we've lost $2,700 within this month. We now know exactly what our numbers are. It's that easy, really. It's that easy. You need to know this stuff. Keep track of it on a month-by-month basis. I can't stress that enough. Not only for, obviously, your accounting at the end of the year with taxes. You can hand off these PDFs that look all nice like this directly to your accountant. They would like that. You can enter them in QuickBooks, or if you don't even do any of that stuff, just keep them for yourself for your own reference. You want to know this information because, like I said, otherwise you're operating with your head in the sand. I've done it. Don't do it. Know your damn numbers because it's too important. So again, guys, that's about all I have to say. I've said what I needed to be said. That's that. So yeah, like and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you're interested, check out my website. That's coulproducts.com. It won't be in the description, but it will be that little link that says work with me in the right hand side of my channel banner. So check it out. Hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.